Secret number 1, high-waisted wide-leg trousers. Most petite women avoid wide-leg pants, thinking they'll overwhelm their frame. But here's the truth. When chosen carefully, high-waisted wide-leg trousers are one of the most elongating, elegant pieces you can wear. French and Italian designers have used this formula for decades. When trousers sit at your natural waist and skim the floor, they create a long, uninterrupted line that makes your legs look endless. The key? Keep them structured, not billowy. Fabrics like ponte knit or light wool drape smoothly without clinging. For most petites, a 27 to 29-inch inseam is the sweet spot. The hem should just graze the top of your shoe, creating that subtle pooling effect that looks intentional and polished. Pair with a fitted blouse tucked in to highlight your waist, and suddenly you've created balance, height, and sophistication, all in one effortless look. Secret number 2, belted shirt. Dresses with 3/4 sleeves. Many petite women avoid shirt dresses, thinking they'll look boxy or like they borrowed something from their husband's closet. But styled correctly, a belted shirt dress is actually one of the most flattering pieces for women over 60. Here's why. Proportion and placement. The dress should hit just at the knee or slightly below, never at the widest part of the calf. That length keeps your legs looking longer. Choose 3/4 sleeves that end at the slimmest part of your forearm. This draws the eye to a naturally narrow spot, making your overall frame appear lighter. Now let's talk about the belt. A slim to medium belt, about 1.52 inches wide, placed at your natural waist is the magic detail. It defines your shape without overwhelming you. Matching the belt to the dress keeps the vertical line clean, while a subtle contrast adds just enough polish. The European way to finish the look? A solid color or refined print in navy, camel, or forest green, paired with a delicate scarf knotted loosely at the neck or a simple pendant necklace. Effortless, chic, perfectly proportioned. Secret number 3, asymmetrical neckline blouses. Traditional style advice tells petite to stick with simple symmetrical necklines. But here's the truth. Symmetry can sometimes flatten your look. The secret many French and Italian designers use? Asymmetry. An asymmetrical neckline creates subtle diagonal lines that instantly add sophistication and elongate your frame. The key is balance. Skip anything overly dramatic like extreme off-shoulder cuts. Instead, look for refined details, a soft drape that crosses the chest, a neckline that gently wraps to one side, or a single shoulder detail that feels elegant, not loud. Why does this work? Diagonal lines guide the eye up and down rather than side to side, creating the illusion of more height. It's a stylist's trick for petites that feels modern, yet timeless. For the most flattering look, choose luxurious fabrics like silk or structured cotton blends. Pair your blouse with high-waisted straight-leg trousers or a pencil skirt in the same color family. The result? A chic, balanced outfit that's perfect for dinners, gallery openings, or simply elevating your everyday wardrobe. Secret number 4, vertical stripe midi skirts. Most petite style guides warn against stripes, but that's only half the story, when done the right way. Vertical stripes are one of the most elongating tools in your wardrobe. Secret number 5, cropped blazers with strong shoulders. Many petites avoid blazers, fearing they'll look boxy or swallowed up. But the right-eye cropped blazer with subtle shoulder definition is actually one of the most flattering pieces you can own after 60. Here's why. When a blazer ends at or just below your natural waist, it creates ideal proportions. It defines your torso, lengthens your legs, and adds structure without bulk. Subtle shoulder padding, nothing exaggerated, frames your silhouette beautifully, giving you that poised Parisian polish. The most flattering styles have notched lapels that aren't too wide, a single button closure, and sleeves that finish right at the wrist bone. Tailored but never tight, cropped blazers skim the body in a way that feels sharp yet feminine. Choose versatile, timeless colors, navy, camel, burgundy, or charcoal, that mix easily with trousers, skirts, or dresses. Slip one on over a simple blouse and wide-leg trousers, and suddenly, the whole outfit shifts from casual to confidently chic. It's one of those rare wardrobe pieces that works everywhere, from lunch with friends to a museum outing, while always keeping proportions in your favor. Secret number 6, pointed toe ankle boots with a 2-inch heel. Shoes can make or break your proportions, and for petites over 60, the right pair of boots is a true game changer. While rounded toes or chunky soles can shorten your leg line, pointed toe ankle boots with a modest heel do the exact opposite. Here's why they work. The pointed shape creates a natural extension of your leg, while a heel between 1.5 and 2.5 inches gives you lift without sacrificing comfort. The boot should hit right at your ankle bone, not above, not below, so the line from leg to shoe stays clean and uninterrupted. The result? Legs that look instantly longer, and an outfit that feels polished from the ground up. For versatility, choose high-quality leather or suede in neutral tones like black, taupe, or chocolate. These shades pair seamlessly with trousers, skirts, and dresses. Pair them with cropped pants that meet the top of the boot for a sleek, continuous line. Invest in one great pair, and you'll find yourself reaching for them over and over. They'll anchor countless outfits while adding effortless height and elegance. Secret number 7. Statement earrings with vertical elements. Most petite women stick to tiny, delicate earrings, worried that anything larger will overwhelm their features. But here's the truth. The right statement earrings don't overpower you. They elevate you. The secret is choosing earrings with a vertical movement. Linear drops, slim dangles, or elongated designs create length and naturally draw the eye downwards, framing your face in the most flattering way. Think elegant gold bars, silver drops, or subtle gemstone accents that add sparkle without heaviness. The trick is balance. When you wear statement earrings, keep everything else minimal. A simple bracelet or a sleek watch is all you need. Let your earrings do the talking. They become the focal point, lifting attention to your face while keeping your proportions elegant. Imagine slipping on a tailored blazer, wide-leg trousers, and finishing the look with slim, glimmering drop earrings. Instantly, your whole outfit feels more polished, more sophisticated, and unmistakably you. It's not about size. It's about smart design that flatters. The right pair of earrings can be that final touch that turns a simple outfit into a signature look. Outro and call to action. And there you have it. 7 powerful petite style secrets every woman over 60 should know. Each one on its own can transform your look, but when you combine them, that's when the magic happens. Suddenly, your wardrobe works with your proportions, not against them. Remember, being petite isn't a limitation. Some of the most stylish women in the world are under 5'4". The secret isn't height, it's proportion, balance, and confidence. Style after 60 isn't about disappearing. It's about refining, elevating, and celebrating the woman you are today.